Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Volkswagen Jetta seats down. Folding your rear seats is a fantastic way to expand your vehicle's cargo capacity, whether you're hauling groceries, sports equipment, or even a small piece of furniture. It's a straightforward process that can significantly increase your trunk's versatility. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently transform your Jetta's interior in just a few moments. The first step is to access your Jetta's trunk. Once open, you'll need to locate the seat release mechanisms. These are usually small levers or knobs, often black or color-coded, positioned on the upper part of the trunk's rear wall. There's typically one lever for each side of the split rear seat, allowing you to fold them independently or together. Take a moment to identify these crucial release points. Once you've located the levers, pull one firmly towards you. You should hear a clear click sound, indicating that the seatback latch has released. After pulling the lever, you can then push the seat back forward from either the trunk or the rear passenger area. Guide it down until it rests flat, creating a continuous, expanded cargo area. Repeat this for the other side if you need both seats down. When you're ready to bring your Jetta's rear seats back to their upright position, the process is just as simple. From the rear passenger area, firmly push each seat back upwards. Listen for a solid click to confirm that the seat is securely latched. It's important to always double-check that both seat backs are fully locked into place before driving, ensuring the safety of any rear passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.